Hey, what's going on, traders? I'm here to give you your weekly watch list, so let's get into it. All right, so first off, we're gonna start off with one of my favorite things to trade as far as options is that's gonna be the SP 500. All right, so current price is $396 and around 38 cents. So this is the game plan for that one. So I do believe that we will crack below this 393 area. As you can see, this was some good support. I think we will crack support this week and fall all the way back down to 387. I don't think that we're gonna end up bouncing back up and trying to retest 400. I don't think we're gonna do that. I think we're literally just gonna head straight down to 387. Yeah, like I said, I don't really think that we're gonna get that bounce from off this 393 and head to that $400 area. I really think that we're gonna crack this 393, head down to 387. So the crack of 393, guys, go ahead and get into some puts and get paid out really nicely on those. All right, so S&P 500, that's your game plan. Like I said, I don't think we're gonna crack. I don't think we're gonna bounce off this support level. I think we're gonna crack it and head down to that 387 mark. Check the futures tonight around about 9-10 o'clock. Wake up early in the morning, around about 8:30. See how the market is. If you see it below 393, then you just go ahead and go get in on some puts, and it's gonna head down to that next level of support, which is around that 387 area. Once it cracked 387, then we headed back down to 378, which is these lows right here. All right, so look at your daily chart, put your lines up. If we crack below it, then you get in. Wait for your confirmations first. Crack, wait for your next candle of confirmations, then you can get in on your puts to make some great money off that. Also, just be aware that it could bounce off the 393 area and head straight back up to this $400. I don't think that we're gonna retest 400. Like I said, just stay, but you still have to know both sides of the ball. All right, so next stocks I'm looking at is JP Morgan, JPM. As you can see, we had a nice bounce off this 40-day EMA, nice little bounce off of it, and I think that we're gonna continue to the upside. I do think that we're gonna try to retest this level right here of 144. So I was looking at some contracts, some option contracts on the call side. I was looking at that 143 call. So as you can see, it kind of like gave us a little resistance areas right here around that 143. But I do think that we will, if this continues to the upside along with all of the other financial companies, I do think that we're going to continue to retest that resistance of that 144, especially since we bounced off this 138 mark. So look to be on the call side on that one. If we cannot break above 143, then just go ahead and ride this thing back down to 138, where this was resistance before. So around this area right here. All right, so look for puts right here. Look for puts if we cannot break this with that 143. Look for puts on that side. But I really do think that we're gonna continue to go up to the upside. So look for a 142 call option or the 143. Roughly right now, market is closed, so it's around about $100 per contract. But I do think that we're gonna continue to go to the upside. All right, last but not least is one of my favorite companies that we made like 900% on. We found the bottom. I think I could literally say that we found the bottom around this $7 mark. This is gonna be our support area. As you can see, I'm still looking at the daily chart. We're moving right back up to the upside. UNG is the United States natural gas play. We're in the winter months where everybody is freezing in the northeast and up in the northeast and the west coast. California got snow, so I do think that we're gonna continue to move up to the upside. I think we're literally just gonna try to retest this $10 mark. So this is going to be your top level of resistance, $10, which is natural resistance. And as you can see right there, that's your 40 EMA. So $10 will be around here. I do like that being your top level of resistance. We still got room to run, as you can see. So look for $10. I would play the $9 options, the March 17th $9 options. They're literally selling for about $50. $48, $50. Wait for a little smaller pullback. As you can see, we're kind of like breaking this 9 EMA, and that 9 EMA acts like a trend line. So we're kind of breaking that right now. We're right above it. So if it holds $8 and 50 cents, maybe 8.25. If it stay above that, look for this to continue to run to the upside as well. All right. Let's see. Yep. Look for this to continue to run to all the way up to that $10 mark. I do like this play. And I do think that we're gonna start regrouping and retesting this old high of $10. I think we're about to get ready to go. I think we're about to get ready to start making this move to the upside, especially with everything happening overseas with Russia and the Ukraine. All right. So and then especially with the pipeline getting blown to pieces, right? So now Germany gonna have to need some gas from somewhere. Guess where they're gonna come to? They're gonna come to the United States. All right, so these are my 3 plays for this week. Watching the SPY crack $393. We're watching JP Morgan onto the upside, go all the way up to retest 144, and then UNG. I'm liking this. I'm liking this to the upside to $10. All right. Other than that, I hope you guys have a great week of trading. Feel free to drop me a message in my DMs, and I try to answer them as quickly and as possible. All right. Thank you guys.